Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz Nurbardiansyah with study ID number 2024 3293. In this video, I will explain a particular report in machine learning in Jupyter. First step is importing all the required libraries. I use the include pandas and NumPy for data processing, and Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, and Skitlearn for pre-processing, SVM modeling, and model evaluation. After that, I used to read in dataset is to in dataset heart disease dataset, which is contain medical data from to 3320, and along with their heart disease diagnosis status. The dataset consistent of 40 column and 3 input feature and one target column. Column description, we have age, vintage age, and sex, gender, NCP, chest pain type, and rest TBS, resting blood pressure, and cholesterol level, and FBS, fasting blood sugar, and stage resting electrocardiographic result, and TLAX, maximum heart rate active, and exercise include engine and all peak ST segment depression and slopes of the ST segment, and CA number of major blood vessels and thalassemia, and target heart disease status. And then don't forget we read the data set. We have to read 5 line first, and information general information data set, what we say age, sex, and CP, and after that with static descriptive, and then don't forget to check missing value, and we go to exploratory data analysis, DA. First, distribution variable target. We see what if class in dataset is balanced or not. In this, we have class 0, not 6, is 42%. We have 2090, and then class 1 is heart disease 27%, is 84, and distribution feature numeric in age, what we can see all feature numeric, age, sex, CP, trace CPS, and call, and all in distribution feature numeric. And then we hit map correlation, what you can see all of that, and then box plot detection outliner. We have 5 is age, 3 CBS, call, thalage, and OP. And then comparison feature class target in type pain. We have a higher 6, and then the heart rate in appendix 6 is higher and the engine uh, 26 is lower. And then we go to pre-processing data. SVM is sensitive to scalar feature. We have to normalization use the standard scalar before we training, and then we define feature and target, uh, and we define a data set into data training is 80% and testing is 20%, and we normalization with the standard scalar. And the modeling SVM, the algorithm is use a support vector machine or SVM with RBF, radial basis function kernel. The RBF kernel was chosen because it can handle not linearly separable data by mapping the data into a higher dimensional space. The parameter reused are the kernel RBF, use the radial basis function kernel, and C1.0 regularization parameter trade-off between margin and classification error, and gamma scale automatically adjusts a gamma based on the data scale, and probability true to enable probability output for ROC course analysis. And we analyzation the model as FEM with the kernel LBF. And we have to class 0 in 20.6 is 82 support vector, and class 1 is the hard disease is 62 support vector. We have a sum of support vector is 1084. First, we accuracy with accuracy model SVM with a kernel RBF is 78%, and cross validation to use to stable perform model in data. We have to 5 to validation. First is 77% and 83% and 80% and 85% and 83%, with average is 82% with STD deficiency is 0 is 2%, and classification report we have accuracy in macro average, and then we weight average. We go to confusion metric. We have 4 is a true negative, is the AD, and false positive is 4 and false negative is 9, and true positive is 8. And report in visualization is ROC curve with area under curve is 86%. And then the distribution probabilization prediction if a report is green is 20 is not sick, and The rate is 26, 26 with heart diseases. And we have the report of feature importance. With the number one is CV, GP, and number two is Talak, and three Xeng, and four is CA, and five Olpic, and six Threads BPS, and six and Slope, and FBS, Tal, H, Call, dan Restage. And number four is visualization support vector. We print support vector class to use SVM to hyperplane optimal. With total support vector is 124 in 2042 data training. With presentation is 59% that data support vector. Is VM model result summary. You have a data set is heart disease with 2003 data and 40 features, and algorithm we have a SVM, a support vector machine, and kernel RBF radial basis function, and training test is 80% is 2042 data, and 20 is 61 data. Is testing operation is 78%, and CV5 volt or MEAN is 82%, and AUC is 86%, and the true positive is 8, and true negative is 40, and false positive is 4, false negative is 9, and support vector is 1044 data points. In conclusion is the SVM model with the RBL kernel successful classified heart disease data with the good accuracy, and the AUC value of the 86% indicates the model ability to distinguish between patients with the without heart disease. And the CP, chest pain type, and exercise included angina feature are the most influential feature for prediction. In SVM use is 1044 support vector from the 2042 training data to form the optimal hyperplane separating the two class. In data normalization, standard scalar is very important in SVM because this algorithm is sensitive to feature scaling. And that's all for me. Thanks for watching.